This is Mixed Pinoy Cowboy, ang cowboy na mahilig mag-exercise pero tamad pumunta sa gym. Alright, so samahan nyo ko ngayong umaga sa exercise na to. Arms workout tayo. Guys, yung unang exercise natin para sa bicep is close grip curl gamit resistance band na to. Alright, okay. Let's do this. Let me show you how. Alright, so ganyan lang kasimple. Okay. So, advice ko lang sa inyo guys nga pala, no? Kung gagamitin nyo siya ng ganyan, kung tatapakan nyo siya, so make sure lang guys na meron kayong sapin para hindi siya mag-i-scratch dun sa ating sahig, no? Alright, so yan kasi yung mag-focus ng damage dun sa ating resistance band. No, maaari siyang maputol at saka maaari rin siya mag-snap. Alright. Close grip curls. Okay. Second bicep exercise natin is concentration curls. Kung paano yung gagawin sa resistance band, ganito ang itsura niyan guys. Alright. Concentration curl gamit ang resistance band. So, eto yung resistance bands natin. Ilatag nyo lang dyan. Okay? And then, tansyahin nyo lang yung gagamitin yung haba ng resistance band. And then, tapakan nyo. Just like this. Alright. Okay. Ganyan. Side. Third exercise natin para sa bicep, yung ating standard curl, no? Yung basic na bicep curl. Alright, let's do this. Alright, basic. Basic na basic. Alright. Okay, same thing, no? 3 to 4 sets. And of course, 10 to 12 repetition. Alright, standard curls. Basic. Basic na basic. last and pang-apat na ating bicep workout is wide grip bicep curls. Okay, this is how it looks like. Yan, ganyan lang. Alright. Okay. So, make sure lang din guys, pag every time na nagka-curl kayo guys, make sure na yung ating siko is much as possible nakadikit dito sa ating katawan. Alright? Okay, the same thing. 3 to 4 set, 10 to 12 repetition. Alright. Palang exercise na to is part ng ating 90 days challenge using fitness resistance bands. Alright? Thank you very much guys. This is Mixed Pinoy Cowboy. Keep on exercising guys because health is wealth. Paalam. Bye-bye.